Hey guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my kitchen. We're in the kitchen. We're going to be doing a cooking video today. I'm going to be showing you guys my version of one of my favorite curry dishes actually. I was introduced to some time back at my aunt's house and it's curry corn. I fell in love immediately. So I'm going to be showing you guys today in this video how I make my version of curry corn. Of course, before we continue with the video, you guys be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button as well. The bell notification button simply ensures that every time I post a video, you get a notification so you can go check out the video and of course share with your friends and your family. So let's talk about this curry corn, a super easy, simple dish to put together. So it's not going to be a long video at all. The main ingredient, of course, apart from the corn, will be coconut milk. To me, you need to have that coconut milk in curry corn for it to give that intense, delicious flavors. So you're going to be using green seasoning, we're going to be using coconut milk. If you have fresh coconut milk, by all means go right ahead, and that is going to pack that dish with so much flavor in there. So of course, with every other curry dish and every other dish, you know, there's different ways of not making it per se, because I think it's like the same steps, but the measurements for each ingredient, that will be all up to you. So some people like that extra curry flavor, the extra coconut milk taste in it. Some people prefer less of it. So it's going to be one of those things. I'm going to be showing you my way. Put the list of ingredients down below and of course experiment. I'll give you guys my measurements for my version, and when you try it out, be sure to adjust accordingly. So let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so let's talk about the ingredients we need for our curry corn recipe. I've got my corn already cut up thanks to the husband. Cut it up into like 1.5 to 2-inch pieces. I've got some green seasoning that I'm going to be using here. For those of you who may not be familiar with green seasoning, it's just basically a combination of different fresh herbs that we have in Trinidad here. So we combine like shadow benny, garlic goes in there, pimento, hot pepper. Everybody has their own way of making their green seasoning, but it's just basically a combination of different fresh herbs. Celery goes in, chive, some people with parsley, just about everything. I've got some chopped up onion, garlic, pimento, hot pepper in there. I'm going to be using a pinch of turmeric, have some roasted jeera on hand, some curry powder of course, salt, black pepper, cooking with some coconut oil today, cooking with some coconut milk today. Key ingredient in a curry corn dish, and we're going to be needing some extra water as well. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is adding some of this green seasoning to our corn. I'm just going to mix that up there. So green seasoning and coconut milk, key to a delicious curry corn. So I've got my coconut oil in the pot already hot. I'm adding my onion, garlic, pimento, hot pepper. It's on low, medium heat. I'm going to cook it for about a minute or so until the onions are nice and tender. Then in goes our curry powder, some of the turmeric and the roasted jeera. Now you're going to cook this for 3 to 5 minutes on low heat. Toast it up real nice. Have to release that flavor from the curry powder. Keep the heat on low, you don't want it to burn. So next step is to add some water. We're going to be adding some water to it. We're going to stir it up and we're going to let it thicken up. Once it thickens up, then we're going to add in our corn pieces. See how it gets nice and thick there? So now in goes the corn. Mix it up and make sure it's coated nicely with the corn, with the curry powder. In goes the coconut milk, followed by water. So my heat is on medium now. I'm going to add some salt. We'll taste and add more if necessary, closer to when it's finished. And I'm adding some black pepper as well. Of course, adjust according to your preference. So I'm going to cover this down and let it cook. It'll take about 20 to 25 minutes or longer depending on the corn, but you want to cook it basically until it's nice and soft. So checking on it guys, this is what it looks like. It's been about 15 minutes. So cover is off and you're just going to let it continue cooking until that sauce thickens up and the corn pieces are soft to bite into. And at this point you can taste it. add more salt. I'm adding more green seasoning because I love a lot of green seasoning in my curry corn. To me, I see it as a like a corn chow, but in curry sauce, if that makes sense. So I like a lot of green seasoning, but you know, you adjust accordingly. So just checking on it now, guys. I had to add some water a couple of times. Make sure that the corn is, you know, soft. Let it boil for as long as you like. So this is just about done for me here. It will thicken up when it starts to cool. So, and I want a little sauce in it because, like I said, it thickens up when it cools. So I'm going to turn off the stove now, and this should be fine. So our curry corn is finished, guys. I can't wait to just dig into these, just bite into those pieces there. Looks so good right about now. Nice vegetarian, packed with flavor sort of dish going on here. And if you've never had it, give it a try. I was always hearing curry corn. I'm like, why are you going to curry corn? But it's actually so delicious. So I left some extra sauce in it. Husband saw it and he said, nice thing to eat with roti. So again, one of these dishes, curry is one of those things that, you know, you adjust accordingly. Leave more sauce in it if you want more sauce in it, or, you know, that you cook down until it's extra thick sauce, and, you know, so play around with it, have fun with it. If you've never tried it, like I said, give it a try. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, of course, give it a big thumbs up, and of course share with all your friends and your family. Let me know how you make your curry corn differently. If you add anything else there, why not? I thought maybe you could throw in some potatoes in there sometime. Why not? You know, let me know if you've made it any different way from the way I just made it, and, you know, love to hear it. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.